In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this waterfall under 7 minutes. Let's press Shift-A to create a landscape. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called ANT Landscape. Let's use a cliff preset. Please feel free to change the settings any way you like. Time to create a cube. We'll need 2 cubes actually. One for a domain and another for a liquid. This cube is going to be the domain. Shift-D to duplicate, and S to scale. S and X to scale on the X-axis. The cliff mesh is going to serve as an effector. Please match my settings. This is going to be an inflow domain. I'll show you what happens when we don't use the inflow option first. Higher the resolution, better the quality will become. This cube is going to release the liquid. I'll change the end frame to 100. Please remember to turn on the mesh option. Please don't bake yet. I'm baking this animation only to show you what happens when we don't use the inflow option. If we don't use the inflow option, only a limited amount of liquid will be released like this. That's not much of a waterfall, so we need to use the inflow option for an animation like this. I'll add the materials. Let's change the flow behavior to inflow. Here is a constant stream of liquid being released. This looks much better. I have created a good gradient material on the practice run. I'll open that save file and show you. Here is the final result. Here are the nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.